I am doing something I've never done on this channel. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Tesla. So like I said in the intro, today I'm doing something that I've never done on this channel. And it's actually surprising, really, but I have never done an accessory review from Tesla itself. So today I am reviewing the illuminated door sills from the Tesla shop. So let's get into it. All right, so let's open these up. All right, so you got two door sills, one for your driver's side and passenger side. Too bad for the kids in the back. So these are the black ones. Now, I also ordered the silver ones by mistake. So these are the chrome ones. You can see side by side. I would assume it's just not necessarily preference in terms of which style you like better, but it's going to go with what you have in your car. In the US, this black one is $200, and in Canada, it's $275, while the silver one or chrome one is $150 in the US and $210 in Canada. So I'm assuming they probably want to get rid of these because they no longer sell chrome cars. So let's see what else you get in the thing just for the install purposes. So you get some gloves to install, a little pry tool, the instructions, some tabs. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically line these up for when the current sill is, and then you're going to put stickers on, and that will line up where you're going to put the new sill on. These are magnet plates that goes on the underneath, or a template that goes underneath your car door. And there's a magnet down here. So that's how they work in terms of how they light up. So they're not going to light up all the time. There's a little magnet in here. When you close the door, it's going to activate them somehow or tell them to shut off so that you're not draining battery. Now, there's no indication of, there's no battery or anything. So I don't know how exactly these light up or what they do, but you don't have to charge them. So they just work. So you just put them in and forget about them, which is cool. All right, so that's all for the unboxing. So let's go ahead and install them. Before I do that, please take a second and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. You get better content, better accessory reviews, all kinds of fun stuff. So hit subscribe. The first thing we're going to do is take our alcohol wipe and wipe down the surface so that when we're putting on our guide stickers, it has a clean surface to adhere to. From here, we're going to take our guide stickers and put them on the outer edges of the door sill. The next step is to grab your blow dryer, and we're going to heat up the area just so it makes it easier to remove that door sill. Now, depending where you live and the temperature outside, you may want to do this for a little longer than usual just to really break up that glue. You're going to then take your pry tool and carefully remove the old door sill. Now, as I said before, you may be left with a surprise when you take this off because in the Tesla installation video, there was really little glue residue, but as you can see, the whole thing is still there. So this is the hardest part of the install, to get rid of all this glue. I've found just scraping it, and I use a bit of Goo Gone, and that seemed to do the best, but it's really time consuming. Hopefully, if you live in Southern California, you might not have this issue. Once you have all that glue residue off, I'm going to take another alcohol wipe and just really clean down that surface, just so that there's absolutely no glue residue. And then I'm going to take my hair dryer and just really dry out the surface and warm it up a bit so that when we're installing the new sill, it really has a clean and warm surface to adhere to. Now for the fun stuff, we're going to unwrap this door sill, and then we're going to remove the 3M red tape at the You're then going to carefully line up your door sill with the sticker guides and just press down. And that's it for that. You can then take off your guide stickers, and there's one more step after this. And your last step is to go underneath your door and attach this guide. And just be mindful of you're putting on the right door because they are different. And once you attach that to the door, you'll have a little guide on where to attach the magnet. And then all you have to do is attach a magnet and you're done. All right, so as you can see, a super easy install. There's no drilling or anything like that required. Just basically stick them on. And as far as maintenance goes, you don't have to charge them. You don't have to do anything. They just light up and work, which is awesome. Now, they are a bit pricey, but to get that kind of look, you're definitely not going to get that from a third-party accessory, which are often a little cheaper. They look fantastic. It's definitely an upgrade over what you currently have. And for $200, it's not that bad. I would recommend them for that price. I did get them through referral credits, but who knows what's happening with that, depending on when you're time watching this video. Who knows about referrals? So, but for $200, not that bad. And $275 in Canada, anyways. But definitely recommend them. They're such an upgrade. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a like and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla content, accessory reviews, how-tos, FSD, all kinds of stuff. So be sure to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. We'll see you next week. And in the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. Reviewing a Tesla. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Tesla. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Tesla. So today, in the few years I've been doing videos, I have never done an experiment. All right, last one.